5 common mistakes landlord does in their tax returns. Number 1, mortgage cost. Some landlord claims whole of mortgage repayment as a tax reducer. After introducing Section 24, only mortgage interest element you can use as a tax reducer, but you cannot use mortgage interest as an expense. Number 2, revenue expenditure. Normal repair and expenses is allowable. Carpet, painting, repairs is allowable. However, if you replace whole kitchen with a smart one, it increases your house value, it is not a revenue expenditure and you cannot claim as an expense, but you can claim this expense at the time of properties selling. Normally, if it's like to like replace, you can claim as a revenue expenses. For example, you change a fridge, or you change a washing machine, or you have an existing kitchen, you replace with the new one with the similar like to like type, you can claim those expenses. So this, when you talk about like to like, it is a bit very gray area, so you need to be very careful when you are claiming those revenue expenditure. Use of home. Running a property business, some people claim all the expenses, electricity, gas, and whatever they use for home, they claim everything in the expense is wrong. Normally, you can claim as a flat rate basis £10 per month, and in that case you don't need to actually keep any receipt. There is another way you can claim. You can get a appropriate a portion of whatever you use or room use or the gas bill. You can apportion it according to your use, and you can claim as a use of a home expenses. Number 4, mileage claim. Some landlord claim whatever the mile they drove during the year, all mileage. Some landlord actually claim all of the car expenses like petrol, insurance, this and that. Actually, you can claim. So think about you visited the property, and you need to keep a log of how many miles you drove, and you can only claim mileage related to your property businesses, not the whole expenses for your car running. Lease extension cost. So normally, if there is a legal cost related to extension of your lease of a property, some landlord actually claim all the cost related to lease extension. There is a rule if what you can claim. Extension of the lease is less than 50 years, you can claim all the legal and professional cost related to lease extension. But if the lease is more than 50 years, you cannot claim those expenses. Claiming expenses is a bit complicated sometimes, because some expenditure are a bit the HMRC guideline doesn't actually clearly says what to claim, what to not to claim. So it's better you actually get a professional advice at the time of your tax return. Thank you.